Hey, what's up guys, it's Sajlal here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to best use Content Gorilla. Now, over the last few weeks we have pushed out countless new features, so the older videos are pretty outdated, so I thought I'd just create a new one for you guys. And let's dive right into it. So you can either start with a YouTube video, or you can choose and select a Vimeo video if that's what you want. Otherwise, you can also go to the rewrite and start from scratch. But let's say for this demonstration, I'm gonna go with a YouTube video, and let's rather try something a bit interesting, right? So let me see. I don't want something that is too long. This one looks good. Let's just try this. Give it a second to load. Alright. Yeah, so this is a short 300 word post, and as you will see, it's not a lot to go with, right? So that's where you basically start using the Content Gorilla AI tools to sort of give you the edge. So first thing first, let's run the convert to block assignment, which will basically convert this content into a blog. And as you can see, we have the content converter into a blog. Now, still not a lot of it, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a bit of an AI outline using this context. And let me just copy this to give the AI engine the context, and I'm just gonna give it the outline. Let's give it a few seconds again, and it's basically gonna go ahead and generate the outline for us, as you can see here. Now we have a few headlines, right? So what we can do is, now you can either go ahead and already send this out to your blog, but I would like to improve it a little bit more. So I want to just kind of avoid using any sort of video content at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to ask the AI to use this new outline and write the content for me, write new content. Let's just give it a few seconds again, let it do its job. Alright, so you can see now we have more content, right? Let me just add a bit of spaces and stuff. So that's pretty cool, right? And you will see now we have 762 word posts, which is pretty good. So now I can, I think, it's going to be pretty ready to be published on my blog. And if I want to add more to this, I can basically perhaps use the tooltip that we have and go ahead and either expand the content, or we can summarize it, paraphrase it, and do all kinds of cool stuff with it, right? But I think I'm pretty satisfied with it. If if you want to improve it even further, feel free to play around with the tooltips and go ahead and have fun with it. Now, if you want to go ahead and publish it, you can simply head to the Publish tab, select your website, and publish the content onto your WordPress website with whatever status that you want. If you want it to show up live, then you can simply select the publish status. Otherwise, you can put it in draft, and you can also save this as draft and come back to it later if you don't want to publish it instantly. This is going to save a draft inside Content Gorilla. Otherwise, we have a few more cool features. So say I want to affiliate link, add my affiliate link to a particular keyword. So perhaps maybe something like dog, and I want to basically add my affiliate link to it or something. I can simply mention that here, and it's automatically gonna when I publish, it's automatically going to hyperlink dog with all of the affiliate links that I have specified. Besides that, we can of course update the featured image as well, and then we can update the tags and all that stuff as well. And then you have the SEO features. So you can basically go ahead and sort of review the SEO of your content that you have here. I'm just going to leave that for now. And besides that, we also have your social media integration. So you can, go ahead and select all of your social media channels, however many you have integrated, and publish your content to all of your social media channels. Besides that, you can also generate content highlights. And now what this does is it basically gives you highlights of the entire content that you can use to publish onto different social media channels and all that stuff. And basically, once it's generated, you will see a meta description that you can use for SEO purposes, a full content summary, a Facebook post, a Twitter tweet, and a LinkedIn post that you can, use when you're publishing your content onto your social media channels. Plus, again, at the end, you can basically go ahead and publish the content onto your website as well. So that's basically how easy and simple it is to use Content Gorilla. And, we have a whole host of features. So I would really like you to go ahead and play around with it and, let us know whatever you think about it. Cheers.